What's up, people? I'm Landon with LMR.com. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Ford Performance's clear taillight kit for the 2015 and newer S550 Mustangs, as well as installing a set into our 2015 Mustang GT. All right, if you're looking to add the popular look of the clear Euro-style taillights to your S550 Mustang, then you should definitely consider this clear taillight kit from Ford Performance. So this particular taillight kit is the exact option that was available on Mustangs equipped with either the ice white appearance or stealth packages. So if we take a closer look at the taillights, you'll immediately notice the ice white appearance of the integrated LED diffusers and clear lenses that give these lights that European styling found on the export Mustangs. These taillights share the same design as the 2018 and newer Mustangs, which incorporates an edgier lens profile, which I really like. Surrounding the clear lenses is a gloss black housing, and then around the outside of the assembly will be the textured black shroud. The back of the taillights are pretty simple and to the point. There's a factory wiring harness with a pre-installed grommet. All taillight functions are the same, and the LEDs emit a bright red light, so the kit is DOT and SAE compliant. As far as applications are concerned, this taillight kit will fit all 2015 and newer S550 Mustangs, but like I mentioned earlier, their design is based on the styling of the 2018 and newer Mustangs with that edgier lens profile when comparing it to a 2015 and 2017 Mustang taillight. The kit includes a driver and passenger side taillight, and of course the factory harness is pre-installed for a plug-and-play installation. For this video, we're going to be installing a set onto our 2015 Mustang GT where we've already removed the existing lights. If you would like to see our dedicated taillight removal video for an S550 Mustang, go ahead and check that one out down in the video description before you get started. Now, before we get rolling, I would like to point out a small tooling change on the newer style taillights. 2015 to 2017 Mustang taillights utilized a clip at the edge of the housing that attaches to the bumper. Well, in the 2018 and newer style taillights, this was changed to a magnet, which still works completely fine for the 2015 to 2017 cars. So with the existing taillights removed, the battery disconnected, and the surrounding area clean, go ahead and feed the wiring harness through the opening and then seat the grommet. Position the new taillight into place, making sure the alignment dowels and the studs pass through their respective holes. Thread on each of the 3 nuts and then hand tighten with a 1/4-inch ratchet. Now, for you torque spec gurus out there, these have a torque spec of 55 inch-pounds. Reconnect the electrical connection and then repeat these steps for the other side. Now you can reconnect the negative battery cable and test all sequences and operations for the new taillights. Whenever this is verified, you can put everything back together. The last thing you'll need to do is transfer the upper covers from the existing taillights to the new ones. These are held in place with 3 clips, and they can be released by pulling up on the cover. Wipe these down and then install them into the new lights. After that, you're good to go. All right, folks, so wrapping everything up here. For those of you that watch our videos, you know that when I start messing with Ford Performance parts, I get pretty excited, and I call myself a Ford Performance fanboy because their stuff is super legit, and I always have a great experience when I install their part. This clear taillight kit speaks to that, and I can honestly say they look really damn good in our triple yellow GT. That's all we have for you today. Remember, for the most up-to-date product information, price, and availability on anything you may have seen in the video, please reference the video description or our website. Until we catch you in the next one, y'all know what to do for all things S550 Mustang. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.